Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Went ahead over here and did as much as we could, which includes strapping this, mounting a strut up there and right there, strapping both of those, pulling in the wire from that last pipe. I think it was actually that one, and then we pulled in one of these to the generator right here that's just folded over. So still have to pull in the other one, need more wire, and yeah, that pretty much wraps it up over here. Actually, I just remembered as I was walking away, we pulled wire from the top two pipes as well, plus the bottom pipe, plus this one pipe. So 1, 2, 3, 4 runs over here. This one was just from here to there, so it's like maybe 20 feet maximum. But anyways, so we got the wire coiled up in there, and then a couple rolls of wire coiled up in there. I'll go show you the other things I did today. All right, and then next we pulled in these two sets of 250s, and then also stuffed this wire up through this pipe right there. I thought there was something else in here. Maybe that was it. So maybe just those two right there. And then I went ahead and threw a connector back on upstairs where we took one off. So don't really feel like walking back up there to video that because you won't be able to really see it anyways. But so that pretty much wraps it up into here. We do have still that 1/600 run to go. And I think there's another pipe in here for something. But for the most part, it's pretty close to being done. Still, some of this might be with the generator, I'm not sure, but probably not. This is more the generator panel, I believe. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up because I don't have nothing else to say. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. Peace out. Monday. Later. All right, everyone. So it was a good day. For some reason, I woke up really angry. I don't know why. I have a slight idea, but I don't know. I was just upset. But the day turned out really nice. I had an unplanned pizza party, so that was sweet. And yeah, because I worked half hour, a couple extra days, left an hour early today, so that was nice, an early start to my weekend. So hopefully, I probably already said this, but I hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe, and don't forget to check out the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys, so much. See you guys back here on Monday. God bless. Peace out.